What if dental drilling disappears forever? Scientists at Harvard University and the Wyss Institute are developing laser-based regeneration, where light could rebuild damaged teeth naturally and painlessly.
For decades, dentists removed decayed enamel permanently. Now, research from the National Institute of Dental and Craniofacial Research suggests regeneration may soon replace traditional drilling methods completely. Human enamel cannot regrow naturally because enamel-forming cells disappear after development, a limitation confirmed by Biomaterials and Regenerative Dentistry studies published in leading scientific journals worldwide. Researchers at Harvard and NIH discovered low-energy lasers can activate dental stem cells, triggering internal repair mechanisms without invasive procedures, anesthesia, or traditional filling materials. A scientific report study demonstrated laser-assisted mineralization forming enamel-like crystals within minutes, closely mimicking natural tooth structure under controlled laboratory conditions with promising results. These regenerated crystals consist of hydroxyapatite, the same mineral found in natural enamel, forming dense, organized structures that restore strength, durability, and resistance similar to original teeth. Proteins guide enamel crystal growth, recreating natural prism-like structures with nanoscale precision. Research from Anhui Medical University and the University of Hong Kong shows this method achieves high structural integrity. Scientists use peptide-based systems like amylogenin analogs to control crystal alignment, enabling regenerated enamel to integrate seamlessly with existing tooth surfaces instead of artificial fillings. A 2024 materials science study demonstrated laser-assisted biomineralization forming micrometer-thick enamel layers within minutes, suggesting real-time dental repair could soon become clinically possible. Meanwhile, the University of Nottingham developed a bio-inspired gel capable of regenerating enamel crystals and strengthening teeth, showing promising results in early-stage experimental applications. These technologies combine nanotechnology, biomaterials, and regenerative medicine, shifting dentistry from mechanical repair toward biological regeneration, marking a major transformation in modern clinical dental science. Imagine a dental visit where lasers precisely rebuild enamel, guided by proteins and minerals, restoring your tooth without drilling, pain, or anesthesia, just controlled biological engineering. However, challenges remain, including controlling crystal alignment, ensuring long-term durability, and developing cost-effective systems suitable for widespread clinical use across different populations worldwide. Most current breakthroughs exist in laboratory environments or early-stage trials, meaning further testing is required before these technologies can safely and reliably reach everyday dental practice. Despite limitations, the direction is clear. Dentistry is evolving toward regeneration, where damaged tissues are rebuilt naturally instead of replaced with artificial materials or invasive procedures. This transformation could reduce repeat treatments, improve long-term oral health outcomes, and eliminate fear associated with drilling, completely changing the patient experience in dentistry worldwide. Global collaboration between institutions like NIH, Harvard, and international research centers is accelerating innovation, bringing regenerative dentistry closer to practical, real-world clinical applications faster than expected. The dental drill may not disappear today, but science has already begun replacing it. The future of dentistry is not repair, it is regeneration driven by advanced technology.